Hey guys, we've got a hurricane coming in, and of course everyone is out running around like crazy, getting their preparations. The store shelves are empty because as soon as they announce hurricane is coming for you, everybody panics, rushes to the store, buys everything in like 10 minutes. And it just kind of baffles me, little quick talk here, kind of baffles me that people in Louisiana wait until they're told a hurricane is coming to get their preparations. I mean, not everybody, but so many. You live in Louisiana. You know that it's hurricane season. There are storms that come every year. You might look out and get a year, maybe two, where there's no storms, but then you get like 4 in 1 year. So for those who, like to either prep or keep their home ready for emergencies, this is why. Because I'm home sipping coffee, enjoying the weather, preparing for a good gathering with friends and family, while others are out fighting over the last 2 loaves of bread on the shelf while completely ignoring a whole aisle of flour 2 aisles over. But that's panic logic for you. So you don't think when you're just told, do now, you do now, and you don't get what you need. So be ready. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna enjoy it. Hurricanes are serious, not making light of it. But if you're gonna live where there are hurricanes, then you have to do what you can to mitigate it. But more than mitigate even the storm, mitigate the stress of it so that you can have some good time with family. We're cooking, there's friends coming over. Stay tuned. We'll share more as the storm passes through.